Hi, welcome to the Farmington Public Library's Online Resources Introduction. My name is Betty and I'm a librarian here at the library. And I wanted to show you one of the many databases that the library offers to you that you can access anywhere from home, from outside at a park somewhere, as long as you have internet access and you have your library card number. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to go to the library's webpage. And that is www.infoway.org. And this is the library's webpage. Now, what we're going to look at is the column on your left-hand side, and we're going to click on Online Resources. So that's right here. Online Resources is a page that provides databases that the library pays for, that you can use to research things, to look up craft videos, anything like that. So we have a nice little subject guide on your left-hand side of different things. And on the right-hand side, you're going to find free websites that anybody can access that provides just great information. Today, we're specifically going to look for the database Culturegrams. Now, in the middle on the main page, you can see an alphabetical list. So I could just go down to C and pick up Culturegrams. Now, I also happen to know that Culturegrams is in the educators and parents K through 12 subject. It's also in history and culture. So I'm going to go to history and culture. And you're going to see we have quite a few databases there. Now, the things about Culturegrams is that there's both an adult version and a kids version. So what we're going to look at first is the kids version. Now remember, anytime you click on one of the library's databases, it's going to come up and ask you for your library card number and your PIN number. So we're going to enter that right now. You enter your card number, it's under the barcode on the back of your library card, and the PIN number is your 4 digits that you chose when you got your card. So once I log in, it's going to take me straight to Culturegrams kids version. Now, Culturegrams, if you're geographically not aware of some things, this is the one that you want. I have a hard time with these things. So what we're going to do is we're just going to look up a country and find the information for that. So if I don't know the name of it or where it's at or what continent, you can use the map. If you know the continent, you can jump to the continent. So I'm just going to pick on Africa. And it's going to take me to a map, but it's also going to list all the countries as well. So I'm just going to pick Chad, and it's going to bring up a great age-appropriate report on the country of Chad. You can print the full report over here on your right-hand side. You're also going to see like maybe some recipes, famous people. One thing that's great on this is if you're a parent or a teacher, we have teaching activities and the curriculum standards right here for that. So if I were to click on the teaching activities, it's going to bring a different screen up. So let me jump on that right quick and share that. So here is the the activities for Culturegrams. And it's K through 5. You can go through and see anything you need. That it's printable, so you can check that out. Now let's jump back to our screen for the actual Culturegram on Chad. You'll see it has a cute little infographic so that we can look at that. It gives us, you know, basic information, average age, average money, different things like that. Culturegrams is great for those reports that kids need to do on a differing country. They need to talk about the people, anything like that. You see on the left-hand side, even though you found a recipe and famous people here on the right-hand side, you can see the difference in lifestyles here on the left-hand side. So if I wanted to know what schools were like there, I could click on that and it would give me a little bit of information about the schools. So Culturegram Kids is age appropriate for that. But if you remember, on our list, we also had plain Culturegrams. and that's for a more adult, maybe high school level. So if we click on that, it's actually going to take us straight there because we've already put our card number and PIN number in, but it's going to show you everything they offer. So you'll also see the kids version, but we have a Providences edition, a States edition, and a World edition. So the World edition and the States edition, they look similar to the kids edition. You're going to get a map or a list of states that you'll be able to choose. But I want to show you the difference. So if we show World edition, looks the same. Remember, we're going to click on Africa. We're going to click on Chad, but now there's a whole lot more information. You still get a few, like you still have recipes over here on your right-hand side. You still have information under lifestyles, but it's a little bit more. So in the Did You Know section on the Culturegram Kids, it had some just general knowledge, same as here, but also down you'll see a whole lot more country data. So it goes more into the numbers, the square miles, its longitude and latitude, anything you need to do for a report. And you can see it can also be cited down here if you need to send that information to your teacher. The same as well, there are teaching activities and curriculum standards on your right. For every country, you'll find that. I want to go back and I want to show you that just do the quick states. Now, one thing about Culturegrams is it's in the World edition up here at the top. If I wanted to jump to the States edition, I could just jump right there. And it's going to pull up the States edition. Remember, similar. Got a map. You can click on the map or you can go down the alphabetical list and it pulls up all of that information. This is just one of the numerous databases that the library provides for you. Remember, you need your library card number to get in, but you do not have to be at the library to get that. If you have any questions, feel free to call the library, 505-599-1270. Have a good day.